Hello students, welcome to history class. I am your history teacher. Students, in last lecture we have completed the first chapter of history, that is the Indian subcontinent and history. Through this chapter we learned that geographical conditions influence human life, and we see how history and geography are interrelated. Also we have learned geographical conditions and the course of history, geographical features of India and the Indian subcontinent. In this lecture we will solve the exercise given below the chapter. First question is, answer the following in one sentence. What is history? History is a coherent account of the significant past events in the progress of human culture. The next question is, where do human settlements flourish? Human settlements flourish wherever the means of living are plentiful. Next question is, what do the people in the hilly region depend on for their food? The people in the hilly region depend on hunting and gathering for their food. Next question is, which is the earliest civilization in India? The earliest civilization in India is the Harappa civilization. The second question is, answer the following questions in short. What does human life depend on? Answer is, the diet, clothing, housing, occupation of people depends upon the geographical characteristics of the region they live in. Thus, the human life depends upon the geographical conditions of a region in which they live. The next question is, what features of our surroundings form the means of our livelihood? The climate, rainfall, agricultural produce, flora, fauna of the region where we live form the means of our livelihood. Next question is, which region is known as the Indian subcontinent? Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and India together are known as the Indian subcontinent. The third question is, give reasons. There is a close relation between history and geography. The answer is, time, place, society and individuals are the four major pillars of history. Of these four components, place is related to geography or geographical conditions. Thus, history is influenced by geographical conditions in many ways. Hence, there is a close relation between history and geography. The next question is, people are forced to leave their settlements. Human settlements flourish in the region where the means of living like climate, rainfall, agricultural produce, flora and fauna are plentiful. However, the reasons like degradation of the environment, drought, invasion, etc. lead to the scarcity of food and other means of living. Thus, people are forced to leave their settlements. Fourth question is, explain the difference in the human life in the hilly region and that on the plains. So here is the answer. Difference in the human life in the hilly region and that The first point is the life of the people living in the hilly region is more strenuous than the life of the people on the plain, and the life of the people living on the plains is comparatively less strenuous. Second point is hilly region does not have fertile land, thus grains and vegetables are scarce in hilly areas. Plains has fertile lands, thus grains and vegetables are available in sufficient quantity. Last point is people from the hilly region depend more on hunting and gathering for their food, and people from the plain depend upon agriculture for their food. Fifth question. Observe the physical map of India and answer the questions based on it. Question number 1. Which mountain ranges lay in the north of India? The Hindu Kush and Himalaya mountain ranges lay in the north of India. Second question is, which are the routes to India from the northeast? Silk Route or Silk Road is the route to India from the north. Third question is, where do the Ganga and Brahmaputra meet? The Ganga and Brahmaputra meet at. Fourth question is, name the islands to the east of the Indian peninsula. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are found to the east of the Indian peninsula in the Bay of Bengal. And the fifth question is, in which part of India do we see the Thar Desert? The Thar Desert is located in the northwest part of. So students, this is your homework. Write down all the given question and answers in the and solve the given exercise. Thank you for watching this audio visual presentation.